I got this comment on my other TikTok account. It's a really good one. I want to really address this. As a former underwriter, I get asked a lot about cosign loans. It does impact you, and you need to take a lot of factors into consideration before you even think about cosigning for somebody. Let me break this down for you. In the comment, they're stating that they have work to do because they have a cosign loan that they either have to pay or do something about because their credit score is stuck. Let me tell you this, before you sign for anybody, I understand you want to help out a loved one. Really keep in mind that number one, if they default, your score is affected and they can come after you in collection processing. Number two, you need to act like it's your own debt. You either need to monitor every month on that due date and make sure it's paid, or you need to have them pay you and you pay it directly so that you can make sure every single month it's getting paid and not impacting your score. You have to also remember that when an underwriter is looking at your application, that debt goes into your DTI and it affects your debt to income ratio. Now, if you can prove that that other individual paid it for 12 months, and this is where I say either have them pay you and you make the payments, then you can't do this. If you can prove that they paid it out of their bank account for 12 months, then it can come off your DTI. If you're on the cusp of getting approved or denied because your DTI is over the amount, then you need to be cautious on how that payment is truly being made. I will always stress, you need to be making that payment. You need to be monitoring it. You need to make sure it's being made. Don't just wait for the bank to notify you because sometimes it's too late. Again, I'm just going to reiterate, I understand you want to help a loved one. I understand we did it for our children. We signed for the very first loan and that was it. I monitored. I made sure that it was being paid every single month. If they fell short, I knew I was stepping in to make that payment. We knew that going into it, and that's how you have to look at it. Now, if you have other questions or you want to drop something in the comments for me to do a video on and answer your question, feel free. I'd be happy to. Don't forget to follow RealTalkCredit so that you can have top-notch credit and be mortgage ready. You can grab any of those offers too up in my link in bio.